In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the default camera focal length and save your setup as the new default scene in Cinema 4D. If your scenes never quite look the way you expect when you start framing a shot, chances are your default camera settings need a quick tune-up. Let's walk through how to access and adjust the camera's focal length, along with other key settings, right from the viewport, and then make those preferences stick every time you start a new project. Begin in your active viewport. At the top, open the View menu and choose Configure. This opens the viewport configuration window, which is where Cinema 4D stores the controls for how your viewport behaves and what camera it's linked to. In that window, switch to the View tab. Here, look for the Linked Camera dropdown. This control tells the viewport which camera it's using and gives you a direct path to the camera's object properties. If you've already created a camera and linked it here, selecting it will let you jump straight to its properties. That's where you'll find the focal length setting, along with related options like field of view, sensor size, projection type, and focus distance. Adjusting the focal length changes how compressed or wide your scene appears. For example, higher focal lengths feel more zoomed and natural for portraits or product close-ups, while lower focal lengths give you a wider field that's great for interiors or expansive environments. As you make changes, keep an eye on your viewport to see the result in real time. A helpful tip: match your focal length and sensor settings to the look you want to emulate, such as a 35mm film feel or a smartphone-style wide angle. If you're working from the default view without a dedicated camera object, this is a good moment to create one. Link it in the dropdown and then make your adjustments. That ensures your settings are stored in an actual camera you can reuse, animate, or swap between viewports. Once you've dialed in focal length and any other camera preferences you rely on, like safe frames, projection mode, or clipping, consider saving this as your new default starting point. Create a clean scene that includes your preferred camera and viewport behavior, then save that scene as your default so every new project opens with those settings ready to go. This small step saves time, keeps your visual style consistent, and helps you focus on creativity instead of setup. That's it. Adjust, preview, and save your setup as your everyday starting scene. Thanks for watching and